Sabah al Khair students, my name is Arwa and my channel name is Arwa and Physics. So this question was asked in NEET exam and let's read it out. The capacitance of a this is parallel plate capacitor with dielectric medium is 30 microfarad, and when dielectric medium is removed its capacitance changes to 6 microfarad. The permittivity of a dielectric medium is, and these are the four options. So let's try out for the solution. Students, first of all, maybe you know that when air as a medium, you have capacitance is equals to epsilon A upon D. As you know, capacitance depends on the area dimensions, right? And when you introduce a dielectric, we will read out the question. We will understand the concept of the question later on, but first very basic concept we have to know. When you introduce dielectric, then the capacitance changes. This is the permittivity of free space in air. So since dimensions, area and D doesn't change, only the medium is changed. So when medium is changed, can I write epsilon 0 as instead of this, can I write it K into epsilon 0 A upon D? Why? Area and dimension D is same, okay? That is distance between the two plates. D is the distance between the two plates and A is the area of the capacitor plates, okay? Now students, why I write medium K epsilon 0? Maybe some of you know that K is equals to permittivity upon permittivity in air. This is permittivity of medium and permittivity in air. And what is K? K is the dielectric constant. So from 1 and 2 equation, maybe some of you get the point that can I write C dash is equals to, look, C dash is equals to this epsilon A into D. Can I write epsilon A into D as C? This whole, can I write this whole as C? Correct? So can I write C dash is equals to K times of C? Okay, okay, fine. C is the capacitance when only air is, and when we have a medium, capacitance when there is a medium. Okay, so students, in the question now, let's come to the question first. We have capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when dielectric medium, look, microfarad is the unit of capacitor, right? When dielectric medium introduced, then we have 30 microfarad. So 30 microfarad, it means C dash, they have given us C dash microfarad unit, correct? 30 microfarad. And when students, it is when dielectric is removed, its capacitance changes to 6 microfarad. So students, some of you dielectric medium is removed means now it is air in between the plates. So air is in between means it is 6 microfarad. The capacitor changes to 6 microfarads. Okay, so what is the value of K? Students, there is no need to change microfarad to farad. Why? Because look, units cancels out and we are left with 30 by 6 is equals to K. So 5 is equals to K. Okay, students, notice the fact that 5 is a dielectric constant. This is just a constant. Don't mark out 5. Look here, 5 is an option. So don't mark out 5. It is a dielectric constant. In question they have asked about the permittivity of a dielectric medium. Permittivity of dielectric medium is epsilon. This is the permittivity of the medium. Okay. So from this formula, can I write K is equals to epsilon upon epsilon 0? We have this relationship, or K into epsilon 0 is equals to epsilon. Epsilon is what? Again I am writing permittivity. Permittivity means how much flux lines are passing through it. If you introduce a medium, how much flux line will pass, and when there is a medium air, when there is air, so how much flux line will pass through it. Okay, so this is the permittivity. How much permission it is given to the flux line to pass through the medium. That's why it is called permittivity. Permittivity of medium, correct? Now students, look, K is equals to 5. Okay, and what is the value of epsilon 0? Maybe most of you know that 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 is equals to epsilon, correct? This is the value of epsilon 0. So 5005, it's a 40 and 44 into 10 to the power minus 12. And what is the unit? Unit is Coulomb square, Newton square, meter minus 2 is equals to epsilon. I have discussed the units and dimensions. I have my playlist on that, so you can check it out. Okay. Now students, look for the options. We have our answer is 44 into 10 to the power minus 2, 44 into 10 to the power minus 2. We have two options, 0.44 10 to the power minus 8, 0.44 10 to the power minus 10. So if you go to this side, the minus sign will decrease. Okay, so if I have I want 0.44, so 2 digit less, so here you have to add 2 digits. So 0.44 into 10 to the power minus 10. You just have to add plus 2 if you are going to this side. Okay, this is the left hand side. So minus if you are going in negative x direction, negative x, so just add positive in 10 to the power. So we have 10 to the power minus 10 Coulomb square Newton meter square is equals to epsilon. So of course option C is correct. Thanks for watching. For more video, just subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz.